What up, 40-ounce crew? What's up, BDU? B2M greatest, back again, yet again, with another video. Just got back from the store. See what we can get cooked up here. Wife looking for something. Daughter eating. I can never find what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. She know right.
You're not getting down until you eat that sandwich.
Like I said, just got back from the store. This is a kind of like a video response to one of daporkchopkilla's videos, where he was like, show me what you got in your refrigerator. So I'm going to show you what I got in my refrigerator. Are you ready? I got some King Cobras, Go 45, Go 45, Go 45, Go 45, Go 45. There's a Old English down there. Another Go 45, Go 45, Go 45, Go 45, Go 45. King Cobra, King Cobra. Some King Cobra, 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 some King Cobra. There's more underneath there. More underneath there. More underneath there. Go 45. 2 Go 45s. And I'm going to go for this one right here. You guys want some of that, don't you? Like I said in my last video, I can only get King Cobras in 32 ounces, so it blows. But you know what? I love King Cobra. It's probably my favorite malt liquor. Whenever I first tasted it, I figured it would have been a beer. And I was also drunk whenever I first tasted it. I'm not going to set it. Oh yeah. Another thing I wanted to show. I don't know if you can really see it. There's the cases I got them out of. King Cobra, Malt English case. We're at about 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Try to set this camera down in a spot where you can kind of see. Nothing to fucking nail down. Can't really see where I'm at, but anyways. I was thinking about going to Taco Bell whenever I got my 40s and 32s, but I forgot once I got to the store. The credit card machine at the store I was at quit fucking working, and so they told me to go to the ATM. Went to the ATM, fucking ATM wouldn't work, so I had to go across the street to a bank and pull out some money, which was a $3 charge extra from what I was supposed to get charged. Then went back, and then they asked for my card again to try to see if it would work, and I was like, nah, fuck it. I done went all the way to this store to get this bank to get the money out. And they were like, well, we just want to see if it'll work. So I go back out to my car, hand them it again, go back, get my card, go back in, don't work, so I pay them, I get the shit, I leave. And I went over and seen my mom for a few minutes, dropped off some movies. 4:35 or some shit, can't see, I'm blind like a bitch. But forgot that I was hungry. But I came home, wife had some complete meals made. It's like Betty Crocker or Hamburger Helper shit, I don't know. Chicken Alfredo. King Cobra, 6%. watch for my next video. It's going to be after this one, probably here in the next 20-30 minutes. Got another shout out vid coming. All I'm going to say is Mr. Loco. If you guys watch videos, 40-ounce videos, well, in his case 32-ounce videos, you guys should know who I'm talking about. Doing a ripping video, shout out to him. So let's get into this thing. I got kind of used to those Old Englishes that I was drinking. Had a case of them. Said in one of my prior videos, Colt 45 is probably one of my least favorite, but yet I haven't tried that many malt liquors. Probably one of my most unfavorite, but I got a case of that, so I wouldn't have to be drinking Old English all the time. Even though I like Old English, I just didn't want to get tired out on it. Fucking time. I think it's like getting ready to hit 7 minutes. Had to dig deep for that one. You guys want to see the camera that I got? It's the same camera I made all my videos with, but I think it's a piece of shit. That's what it looks like. Don't go out and buy this camera. For one, you can't see how much time you've been recording. Another thing, whenever you go to playback videos on it, you can't hear yourself talking. It doesn't play back any audio. So that's gay. No offense, kid Mark. I'm pretty sure gay people use the word gay too. Or straight. I don't know. King Cobra. 32. Good stuff. I was going to chug it, but my stomach's empty. Like I said, I don't eat breakfast. And we were really busy at work today, so on my lunch break, I just sat on in the car. I could have gotten me something to eat, but I didn't feel hungry at the time. Peace out.